Actinomycetes. These are a group of thin bacteria which are filamentous in nature. So they resemble fungi. The actinomycetes are gram-positive bacteria which are non-motile, non-sporing and non-capsulated. So the actinomycetes are thin bacteria which are filamentous. They are gram-positive which are non-motile, non-sporing and non-capsulated, and they are mostly free-living. Next, coming to the genera. Actinomyces, Arachnia, Bifidobacterium and Rothia. These genus are anaerobic and non-acid fast, whereas Nocardia, Actinomadura, Dermatophilus and Streptomyces. These genera are aerobic and acid fast. The main organism in this category is Actinomyces and the main organism in this is Nocardia. We'll see both of them in detail. First, Actinomyces. Actinomyces is mold-like organism. It was first isolated from the lesion of lumpy jaw, which is called as actinomycosis. So the Actinomyces is a mold-like organism which was isolated from the lesion of lumpy jaw called as actinomycosis. The Actinomyces word means ray fungus. So the fungus has ray-like appearance in the granules. The disease caused by actinomyces is actinomycosis. This disease is a chronic granulomatous infection, and the clinical features of actinomycosis are the presence of indurated swellings in the connective tissue, suppuration, that is pus discharge, and the discharge of sulfur granules. The Actinomyces species are normally present in the mouth, intestine and vagina as commensals. Any trauma, foreign bodies or poor oral hygiene favors the tissue invasion. So normally Actinomyces species are present in mouth, intestine and vagina as commensals. When there is any trauma, foreign bodies or poor oral hygiene, these conditions favor the invasion and they cause actinomycosis. Most common causative agent is Actinomyces israeli. Actinomyces israeli is the most common species causing the disease. The actinomycosis is usually a mixed infection. That is, it is accompanied by other associated bacteria which enhance the pathogenic effect. The accompanying bacteria include Bifidobacterium dentium, Actinobacillus actinomycetomatans, Echinella, Haemophilus aphrophilus, bacteroids, Fusobacteria, Staphylococci and anaerobic streptococci. So the actinomycosis is usually a mixed infection which is accompanied by other associated bacteria. All of these which enhance the pathogenic effect. There are four major clinical forms of actinomycosis. They are cervicofacial, thoracic, abdominal and pelvic. In cervicofacial type, there are lesions on the cheek and submaxillary regions. In thoracic form, the lesions are produced on lung, pleura and pericardium. In abdominal type, the lesion is around the cecum usually, and sometimes it can spread through liver via the portal vein. In the pelvic form, this occurs in association with the use of intrauterine devices. Actinomycosis may also present as mycetoma. This is also called as Madura foot or Madura mycosis. Sulfur granules are seen in the exudate from the lesion. Long branching mycelium with attached sulfur granules are seen in the diseased tissue. Treatment. The treatment for actinomycosis is surgical drainage or excision along with large doses of penicillin antibiotic given for several weeks or months. Coming to the lab diagnosis. First is collection of specimen. The specimen is pus or tissue and sputum in case of pulmonary disease. Second is microscopy. Microscopy is performed to demonstrate actinomycetes in the lesions or in the granules. The granules are nothing but the bacterial colonies which have thin filaments which are gram positive, having the sun ray appearance. Grossly, the granules appear white or yellow in color. This is a image showing gram positive filamentous bacteria in the pus. Third is isolation in culture. The culture media used is thioglycolate broth, which is a liquid medium, or brain heart infusion agar, which is a solid medium. These culture media are incubated anaerobically at 37 degrees Celsius. In thioglycolate broth, the Actinomyces bovis produces general turbidity, whereas the Actinomyces israeli grows as fluffy balls at the bottom of the tube. In brain heart infusion agar, the Actinomyces israeli produces small spidery colonies which become heaped up white, irregular, smooth, large colonies after some time. And the fifth is identification of the species. The identification is performed by microscopy, biochemical reactions, and fluorescent antibody test. Coming to the epidemiology. Actinomycetes is most common in rural areas and among the agricultural workers. And it is also more common in young males in the age group of 10 to 30 years. 60% cases of actinomycosis is of cervicofacial type and 20% cases is of abdominal type. Lastly, the treatment. The actinomycosis responds to prolonged treatment with antibiotics like penicillin or tetracycline. These should be continued for many months, and this is supplemented by surgery whenever necessary. The treatment includes continuous treatment with penicillin or tetracycline for many months, and it is supplemented by surgery whenever it is necessary. This is about actinomyces. We will see about nocardia in our next video. Thank you.